Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make modular contractor connection wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, contactor, timer, selector switch, indicator. Phase connection to DP MCB. Neutral connection to DP MCB, phase connection from DP MCB to connect selector switch and contactor, neutral connection from DP MCB to connect indicator, neutral connection to timer, neutral connection to contactor to another point, output connection from contactor to connect indicator, another connection to timer, output connection from selector switch to connect timer 2 point, output connection from contactor for load. This circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.